How to use OBS to record screen and audio. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer, and let's jump right into this video. Launch your OBS in your PC. Make sure that it is up to date and you have the latest version of it. Now, in order to record your screen and audio using your OBS, it is pretty simple. Now you will see this interface in your OBS, where at the bottom you will see this option of scenes, sources, audio mix, and scene transition. To record a screen in the sources, tap on the plus sign icon at the bottom. You will see all of these options. To screen record, you have to select the option of display capture. Currently, as you can see, it is set on display capture for mine as well. You can create a new one or add existing one. You can rename it if you want to, then tap on OK. And as you can see, the screen is being recorded. Now your audio will be recorded if you have allowed microphone permission for your OBS. Select the audio mixer and tap on the settings option. Right here, you can see if the audio recording is active or inactive, and you can even adjust the decibel of it and required audio setting through here. You can also add hotkeys to just tap on a key to pause or play or stop a video recording. For that, select the option of settings. From here, you can easily do the setting for your audio, your video quality, export quality, and more. As you can see in this audio section, you can go ahead and select the quality of audio that you want in the video. And that is similar for the video option as well. Select the option of hotkeys, and as you can see right here, for my start recording, the key is F5 and simultaneously down and shift for stop and pause. By pressing on the key that you want to select to stop, pause, or start the key, you can easily press on the key given to you. Now, by just tapping on the F5, I'll be able to record the audio and the video in the screen. And that is how you can easily record your screen and audio on OBS. Wasn't it simple? Make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.